Greetings, this is Niket Singh, and the aim of today's video is to focus on object detection and object tracking. Now, suppose in a video you want to identify a cat as an object. So the phenomenon of identify a cat in a video frame can be termed under object detection, that you are detecting an object. And object tracking is a phenomenon when the same object is located into a different position in the next frame, and then in a different position in the next frame. So that means that the object is moving. Now the idea to track a moving object comes under object tracking. So this is this is basically a scenario that I have considered. Now consider in this scenario there is an overhead camera. There is a path. Suppose this is a road and this is a gate. Now suppose a human is crossing this gate, and it's going to the another side. Now your job is that every time the human crosses this gate, you need to count that the human has crossed from left to right. That means it has come inside the gate, or it has gone from this side to this side. That means right to left. That indicates that it has moved out of the gate. Now the idea to track a particular idea to detect a human into a frame will be termed under object detection. So for the object detection purpose, we have used OpenCV. Here OpenCV is an library which can be associated with Python to detect objects. It comes under the field of computer vision. Now, so the idea is that the camera will capture all of this thing and the processing, and it will send the video frame into the Raspberry Pi. Our code will be there in the Raspberry Pi, and it will be executed. It will be executed as the camera is running. That means it will be doing a live processing of the data. Now Raspberry Pi will be computing that the person has moved into the gate or it has moved outside the gate, and it will update the data into the database. So this is a particular code. This is a code for object detection and object tracking that I have written. You can find it into my repo. Now let me explain you. So in the case for object detection, as you know, that we are using OpenCV. For object tracking, that means to track a moving object, we are using Euclid's algorithm. So what is happening, that suppose this is actor A. Now suppose in the next frame actor A moved from this position to this position, and actor B moved from this position to this position. Now the idea is, how will you identify that this is actor A or this is actor B in the current frame, right? That means this object could also be turned as actor B, or this object could also be considered as actor A, right? So for that we will use object tracking. That means we will use the Euclid's algorithm. Let me show you how. So the previous position of the actor A was this, and the next position and the current position of the actor A is this. Now you will consider the smallest distance between the two objects. You will consider smallest distance between the two objects. You will find the smallest distance using the Euclid's algorithm, and the smallest object near to the previous object will be considered as actor A. Hope you understand this. Now there will be an upcoming video which will show you a live count, live processing, how a object tracking is taking place, and the input gate count and output gate count are being updated in the same moment. So that was about this project. You can find this project into my repo here.
Library to develop a basic people counter algorithm. Now here a window has come in which two strings are displayed in and out. The red line displayed in the window represents a gate through which people comes in and out. The camera angle selected is as per the requirement of the problem statement given to us. Now this is a basic algorithmic video, and just a better part could be developed out of it. So here the video ends, and thank you.